Today's adventure has not been planned yet. Well, it's kind of been planned, but we've had nothing but rainy weather for the longest time. We got a dry spot right now. We got about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours of a window. Our destination is Hamilton, Ohio. I'm aiming to do an historical log cabin and maybe a few other things around there. And let's see if we can pull this off. This is behind the scenes of what we usually go through when we're having bad weather or etc, etc, etc. And I'm taking you guys with me the whole way down there. Let's go. Let's keep our fingers crossed, y'all. The last couple days around here has been a monsoon. It seems like all it wants to do is rain, thunder, lightning, rain. So my plans...
Turn left onto US 50 East, Green Boulevard.
Our plans was to get a historical building because we can't go anywhere and get Mother Nature. It's going to be way too muddy anywhere we go. So we want to go to Hamilton. They have a log cabin. That's where we're headed at now. So if it starts raining, which I'm seeing sprinkles now, this would be today's video of us going out there. And it's not really a failure. At least we'll be able to get out there and get eyes, boots and eyes on what we want to film. So we go back the next day and film it. Alright, we're going to show you some of the road. I'm going to do some more talking. And let's just have fun with this. We just made it to Ohio and we had some sprinkles on the way. So we might just be able to pull this off. But we still got a long way to go yet. So, who knows? But you know what? That's okay. As I'm able to get some type of filming in. It's still an adventure. Okay, so far we made it to Hamilton. Right now there is no rain, so we might be able to do some filming, guys. Oh my word, I hope we can. Oh, I tell you, it's been nothing but rain, rain, rain. And tomorrow's going to be rain. That'd be my next day I can film. So, yeah, it's quite nice. Oh, we just hit a bump.
I was trying to avoid it.
Oh, it is quite nice up here still, though. It's a big old bridge over yonder. I think I see where we're going. Alright, guys. Hopefully, still the rain will hold off. And we'll we'll be able to film some cabins. We'll see when we get there. We have arrived. I'll tell you where we have arrived in just a moment. This place is like right in the middle of downtown Hamilton. So we got a lot to film, y'all. Oh yes. This will be quite the adventure. Let me go ahead and get my act together real quick. And let's see if I can do this justice. Monument Cabin is an 1804 log cabin restored on the site of the old Fort Hamilton along the bank of the Great Miami River. The cabin is located next to the Soldiers, Sailors, and Pioneers Monument in downtown Hamilton. This is quite the place to see. I really enjoy this. They also had some statues that was very lifelike. I would say definitely give this place a visit if you ever can. It will be worth it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The only information I could get is old log cabin, Fort Hamilton. Oh wow, we're gonna walk all around this and get it, okay guys? Now on the B-roll, I will have more information, I hope. I was almost afraid to walk out here on the grass, but they had benches right behind me, so I guess it's okay. Now they got some statues, we'll get them in just a little bit. I know very little history. I kind of like browsed through the B-roll a little bit. I should have learned more, but wow. This is something else. You can see the chimney, right? You see the rock? That's all newish, kind of. But the bottom, as we go down, that almost appears to be the original. But is this the original place for this cabin? I would think not, but I could be wrong. It is quite the unique building, isn't it? Holy smokes. Should we try to peek inside? Well, I don't think peeking inside is going to work out. No. But we might get a little bit more of this. But there's a building behind me I want to get. And there's also a bridge. Guys, it is endless of the things I want to get. So this video is going to have a little bit of everything. Let's look a little bit up on the roof. That looks really unique. Oh my word. We're going to pan on around. Just going to show you what I see right now, y'all. There's a busy road right out yonder there. So hopefully we're not going to get the car interference. But we're going to go to the top or the front of this building and go back. Oh my gosh. There's a statue way up on top of that too. Look at that. Before we get to the front of this building, oh my word, look at that. Oh my gosh, we're going to zoom in on that and get a better shot. Let me reposition. Oh my word. Let me start it from the beginning. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's pan all the way across. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. There's a walking path right below that too, but my gosh, look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, didn't I tell you this place had a little bit of everything? Wait till I get to the statues. Oh my gosh, on that too. Oh wow. Okay, let's go to the front of this building. It's a memorial building is all I can see. You have cannons on each side. Look at that. And I want to get a little bit up to the top. But I may have to go back some to get it. Got a beautiful stained glass window too. I am right next to the road, guys. We're going to slowly pan down. This might be some sloppy filming. I apologize now. But wow. I'm going to show you what's behind me as well. So I would kick myself in the butt if I didn't. It is quite beautiful here in Hamilton, Ohio. Oh, I want to get this building down yonder there a little bit better, but I can't. Because I'd be right out in the street, because the street's right next to me. But there you go. Let's go get some statues. There's the first statue. We're also seeing a park on the way up here that has lots of statues. We're going to be checking into that probably tonight. But right over yonder there's that log cabin. And let me give you a shot down this way. Oh, poor kid. Yeah, that road's making him nervous. Let's head up back that way. One more shot of this beautiful building right here that I don't really have the proper name except a memorial. But you know what? Let's zoom in up to that window from a side view. I tried to get it over there, but there's trees in my way. Maybe I can kind of film some of that window for y'all. I don't know if you can see the beautiful design on it or not. But wow, it is quite spectacular. We may do this on the GoPro. I don't know yet. But the first statue's right in front of me. You know what? We'll get it. All the statues on the G70, but holy smokes. So, what's the matter, Bubby? Are you okay?
He does not like these statues.
Well, that road's probably scaring him up there too.
What?
You don't like the statues? Let me get you in here.
He does not like the statues.
Well, the road right there is probably scaring him as well.
Probably too.
Dude, I can't find the name of that building right there, Ange. It just says Fort Hamilton.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. My apologies, guys. I wasn't doing this justice, but let's get these statues and then we might get some more. On the way over to the next statues, we'll get another shot of this log cabin because this is the reason I came out. Yeah, I knew these other things were here, but I mainly came to see the log cabin. Some people are coming getting pictures. That's quite unique, isn't it? Nice place to take pictures. The plaque on the bottom of this says a pioneer family. Oh wow. If they were alive today, they'd be very confused. Now, this is where I was standing at earlier when I was telling you I was worried about being on the grass. Then I noticed a bench over yonder there. And there's the bridge in the far distance. Butler County fallen firefighter. He's got a little baby in his hands. That is so sad. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm about ready to show you guys next. Confused me. When we was coming up the road, I thought these were real people. No joke, I really did. I can't believe my eyes how lifelike these are. That's crazy. Okay, we're going to get on the GoPro and get some more shots of this alone. And we'll probably close her out from there. But before we do that, I give you a partial pan where I'm at. Right smack in the middle of downtown Hamilton, Ohio. And I have to say, it's quite unique here. It really is. Here we go. We just shoot this with the GoPro. Up close and personal. My gosh. Oh, here's Kitt. Kitt, do you think they're real? Of course you know they're not real. You can smell that, huh? Kitt, don't sniff there. But my gosh, look at this. Let's go all the way around. Now these statues right here, even down to the wallet in his pants pocket.
Kitt.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, as we was coming up the road, this made me think there were real people right here. Oh my gosh, this is something else. Now I'm a little off my game, and right over yonder there, in post, let me get out a little bit. I might try to zoom in. I don't know if I was able to do it well on the G70, but if I can zoom in, I get that statue right up there. But I'm a little off my game because, guys, I'm used to filming nature in the middle of nowhere. This is in the middle of a downtown area. Excuse me there, sir. I mean, even look at the creases in his shirt. Even down to the watch. Let's see, 6, 7, that's almost 7:27 on his watch. But yeah, teaching his little girl how to ride a bicycle. That is something else. What do you think, Angie? How about you, Kitt? What do you think, Bubby? Yeah, you're not used to this downtown sound either, are you? When I tell the history about this place in the B-roll, I'm going to try to come up with as much history as I can. Because honestly, I don't know if I did this justice. Return the GoPro around and let's get this cabin. There it is in the distance. And the memorial building is right next to it. And then you got a bridge going across that way. And right over yonder there, pretty good piece, is that beautiful railroad bridge. Oh my word. Oh, you know, I'd like to come back here in the future and get the railroad bridge itself, but I don't see any way of getting over there to do that. There you guys have it. I really did not think I was going to be able to do this filming. Right now, there's no rain. As you see, I don't have my hoodie on because I started off with my hoodie. Because at home, which is a good piece from where we're at now, it was a little on the nippy side. It's kind of getting warmsy here right now. So yeah, you guys have it. You've seen how we planned. You see me kind of getting the cameras ready. Yeah, that was the short version. I had more to pack up, and I really did not think I was going to be able to film this. But you know what? One more shot of the log cabin. We might take some walks around. Then we'll probably close it out, y'all. Okay. Let's go up close and personal. I should have done this with my other camera, but you know what? That's okay, I did not. Oh, wow. See, they got something to put a flag in. Surprised they don't have a flag on it. Oh my gosh. Now, this is original. You can see some of the bark that was on that tree. At least I think it's real. Anymore, it's hard to tell, isn't it, y'all? Oh my gosh. Let's just walk right on around here. Oh my word. There's the chimney we was talking about earlier. Oh my gosh. This is really fascinating. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. We'll go to the corner here, and that'll be all for the cabin right there. Right here. Here's the corner of it. In post, I might zoom this in for personal use. Look at the big, beautiful dark clouds behind that. Let's go up on the hill a little bit. Maybe I get a better shot, because in post, I'm gonna see if I get a good picture out of this to hang on the wall. But look at them dark clouds. That's the storm clouds, guys. Oh my gosh, let's zoom on back, or on around. Or let's pan around. That's the Great Miami River, by the way. Oh my gosh, there's a walking trail down below me. And there's the bridge with the highway traffic right there. Well guys, like I said, I did not think I was gonna be able to do any filming today. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to do any filming tomorrow because we got more rain coming. That's all it's been doing, is rain, 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 rain. But we do have some drying out coming. It's just too bad it ain't on the days I film. But that's okay. I'm very thankful I was able to get out here in the field, a pretty good piece from home, and get this beautiful log cabin in front of me. This is what brought me here, y'all. Now I do have some other log cabins on the docket. They're also here in Ohio. Maybe tomorrow, it may be another day. We don't know yet. We gotta play tomorrow by ear. We gotta see if it's gonna rain or not. We may get lucky like we did today. Till next time, guys, leave your comments down below. This video was brought to you from Hamilton, Ohio. If you like today's video, please hit that like button. Comment, because if you guys hit that like button and you start leaving comments, it puts me in a higher racket on YouTube. That means my video gets out to others to see. And that's what we want to do, folks. We want to grow this channel. We want to grow this channel so others can see it that are not able to make it out. That way my cameras will be their eyes. Because some people can't make it to places like this, and I want to bring this to their doorstep. Till next time, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here. We're headed back to Indiana. What do you want to bet, hon? What do you want to bet we get slammed with rain on the way home? Do you see that cloud yonder?
I saw the one over that way too.
Oh yeah, there's a big one over that way. We're headed back, guys. We'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching.